Have you ever placed a photo into Microsoft Word and wished you could soften it so your text would remain easy to read? Making a photo transparent is a simple way to create elegant photo watermarks, faded page backgrounds, and meaningful memorial program covers. Instead of allowing the photograph to overpower your design, you can gently blend it into the page while keeping the person's image visible. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make an entire photo transparent in Microsoft Word 365. How to position it behind your text, and how to adjust the effect until it looks professional. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site. Here you'll find helpful tutorials, funeral planning information, memorial design ideas, and practical guidance for creating meaningful printed tributes. For this demonstration, I'm using Microsoft Word 365 on a Mac. The steps in the Windows version are nearly identical, although some buttons and menus may appear in slightly different locations. I'll also be working with one of our funeral program template designs. Our templates are available on our website and can be found through the featured product links in the description below. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you now, so let's get started. Begin by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, select Shapes, and choose a rectangle or another shape that fits your design. Click and drag on the page to create the shape box where you want the photograph to appear. With the shape selected, open the Shape Format tab. Select Shape Fill, choose Picture, and then locate the photograph you want to use. Once selected, the image will fill the shape box. If there is an outline on the photo after you've inserted it, select the shape box, then Picture Format, then Picture Border. Choose the No Outline and the border will be removed. Next, select the shape and choose Picture Format at the top. In the Picture Format panel, choose Transparency, then Picture Transparency Options. Look for the Transparency control and move the slider to gradually fade the photograph. A lower percentage keeps the image more visible, while a higher percentage creates a softer, more transparent effect. For most memorial program covers, begin with a moderate transparency level and adjust it while viewing the entire page. The photograph should remain recognizable, but it should not compete with the person's name, dates, service information, or other important wording. The preset choices are convenient, but you may want more control. Return to the Transparency menu and select Picture Transparency Options near the bottom of the gallery. This opens the Format Picture panel, usually on the right side of your screen. Look for the Picture Transparency control and move the slider until you achieve the desired effect. A lower percentage keeps the photograph more visible. A higher percentage makes it lighter and more transparent. For example, a photograph used as the main feature on a memorial program cover may only need a small amount of transparency. A full-page background placed underneath text will usually need considerably more. There is no single percentage that works for every photograph. A dark portrait may need more transparency than a bright outdoor photograph. Always judge the effect by looking at the complete page. After adjusting the transparency, you may need to move the photograph behind your text. Select the image and locate the Wrap Text or Text Wrapping control under the Picture Format tab. Choose Behind Text. The photograph can now sit underneath the wording on your page. Resize it by dragging one of the corner handles. Using a corner handle helps preserve the original proportions and prevents the person's face from becoming stretched or distorted. Move the picture into position by clicking and dragging it. If the image is difficult to select because it is behind other objects, open the selection pane from the ribbon. The selection pane displays the objects in your document and makes it easier to choose an image that is layered behind text or shapes. If you are using the photograph as a full-page faded background, enlarge it until it extends across the page. Some cropping may be necessary to fill the area properly. Pay close attention to the person's face. Avoid placing important wording directly across the eyes, nose, or mouth. Whenever possible, position your text over a quieter part of the photograph. When the photograph is inserted inside a shape box, you can use that shape as a custom faded background anywhere in your document. Select the shape, open the Format Shape panel, and adjust the transparency under Picture or Texture Fill. Then resize and position the shape behind your text or other design elements. To place it behind the wording, select the shape, Open the Shape Format tab, choose Send Backward, and then select Send to Back if necessary. This allows your text boxes, name, dates, and service information to remain visible over the faded photograph. Using a shape box gives you more control than Word's standard watermark feature. You can choose the exact size and position of the image, crop it within the shape, adjust its transparency, and move it freely without affecting the rest of your page layout. For a memorial program cover, you might enlarge the shape so it fills most or all of the page. You can also use a smaller transparent photo behind a name, poem, scripture verse, or tribute message. If you need the same faded photograph on another page, copy the completed shape and paste it onto that page. This preserves the picture, transparency level, size, and formatting. Now add your memorial wording over the faded image. You might include the person's name, birth and passing dates, the service date, or a phrase such as, "in loving memory," "celebrating a life well lived," or "forever in our hearts." Choose a text color that stands out clearly from the background. White text may work well over a dark photograph, while black or dark-colored text may be easier to read over a lighter image. You can also place a lightly colored shape behind the wording if the photograph still makes the text difficult to read. Give the shape some transparency so the image remains visible beneath it. The goal is not simply to make the photograph lighter. The goal is to create a balanced design in which the image supports the message without interfering with readability. Before finishing, zoom out and examine the entire page. Make sure the person's face is clear, the photograph is not distorted, and all text can be read easily. It is also helpful to print a test copy. A transparent photograph may appear lighter or darker when printed than it does on your computer screen. Avoid reducing the transparency so much that the image disappears entirely. The photograph should still contribute something meaningful to the design. You should also begin with the highest resolution original photograph available. Transparency can soften an image, but it cannot repair a photograph that is extremely blurry or too small for the space. You can use this technique to create photo watermarks, faded backgrounds, memorial program covers, funeral booklets, prayer cards, tribute pages, and many other keepsake designs. The key is to select the photograph, open the Picture Format tab, choose Transparency, and then adjust the image until it complements your text rather than competing with it. For additional Microsoft Word tutorials and helpful memorial design guidance, subscribe to the Funeral Channel Network. You can also visit the Funeral Program site for professionally designed funeral program templates, memorial keepsakes, printing services, and done-for-you assistance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.